Top headlines for the day.
Looks like Ajay Devgan's directorial venture Shivai has managed to strike a chord with the masses. There are reports of the film doing steady business across the country, especially in the single-screen theatres. Trade analyst Taran Adarsh recently tweeted, #Shivai, Friday 10.24 crores, Saturday 10.06 crores, Sunday 8.26 crores, Monday 17.35 crores, Tuesday 11.05 crores, Wednesday 7.40 crores, Thursday 6.05 crores, total 70.41 crores India biz. With a total business of 70 crores across India and having earned enough from satellite rights, the film has broken even. Looks like the film has done a humongous collection which has banished away all the blues of filmmaker Ajay Devgan, who has definitely got a breather. Shivai had opened its box office account with a business of 10.24 crores and it witnessed a marginal drop in business on weekend. The film has continued to do a great business throughout the week. With so much riding on the film, it looks like Ajay can now take a toast for Shivai.
Sultan of Bollywood has changed many equations in the B-Town, be it economic or helping co-actors by mentoring or through his philanthropic work, and quite aptly fits the title of King of Bollywood. And we give you enough reasons to why he deserves this title. Here we go. In comparison to other B-Towners, no other celebrity like him has ever garnered so much attention on the online portals which churn out so much news and in turn has changed the economics overall. He's one B-Towner with humongous fan following and has managed to keep them since so far. Fans go bonkers with every little thing he does and gives birth to a new trend which begins from here. His one tweet gives enough fodder to run online portals since whatever he says becomes a huge buzz and fans follow each one of it. No wonder the digital platform has grabbed too many opportunities because of Bhai. His charity work is always a matter of pride for his fans, but again, media throws a wrong light on this particular issue and then slaps it as a mere publicity stunt. Every development in his personal or professional life grabs many eyeballs, and to which the tabloids take advantage, which then the magazines sell like hotcakes. Well, when it comes to setting fashion trends, then no one can beat Bollywood's Bhaijan. जी हाँ, सलमान जो हमेशा रहते हैं uber cool has indeed been a pioneer in setting some of the best male fashion trends in the country. Remember the peppy song O O Jane Jana of his hit in 90s flick Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya? The song was not only a hit but a shirtless Salman sporting ripped jeans set a gender-neutral fashion craze that's still a hit amongst the celebs, designers, brands and masses alike. Talking about Salman's love for ripped jeans, Salmaniacs believe that Bhai was gifted these pair of jeans by his uncle. Since the jeans were Salman's favorite, he wore it till the time it started to rip off, hence giving birth to a new trend. However, the logical and more believable bit is that Salman first wore the ripped denims on celluloid in 1998. Well, आपका क्या कहना है इस बारे में? Do let us know.
Now that Ajay Devgan Shivai has started doing steady business at the box office, it seems to be the perfect time for some trivias. Well, क्या आपको पता है अजय ने शिवाय के लिए किया था संजय लीला बंसाली's hit movie बाजीराव मस्तानी को ditch? Ajay has even confirmed the news. He said, I was approached for the lead role, but we couldn't agree on the terms and conditions, dates, money, everything. Apparently, Sanjay was demanding a slot of 200 consecutive days to shoot for Bajirao Mastani, and Ajay couldn't meet this demand as he was supposed to begin his own directorial venture Shivai next year. However, Sanjay maintains that the reason for dropping Ajay was because of his name Bajirao Singham. Well, Sanjay, weren't you aware of this before approaching? Now, with the raving reviews that Shiva is receiving, looks like Ajay did the right thing. What do you guys think, huh?
We all love to see the super hit on-screen chemistry of Salman and Katrina, or Salman and Kareena, and undoubtedly, they never fail to entertain us with all their jalwas. These super hit jodis dazzle the silver screens in movies like Bodyguard and Ek Tha Tiger. But do you know when Salman Khan made his debut in Bollywood with Biwi Ho To Aisi? At that time, Katrina Kaif was just 4 years old and Kareena Kapoor Khan was only 8. Surprised? The Dabangg Khan of Bollywood seems to be ageless, aren't he? Since ageless Salman Khan is as handsome as he used to be, and we hope to see him romancing with both the actresses in some of future projects. What do you think about this? क्या आपको भी लगता है कि सलमान खान का एज कहीं जाके स्टॉप हो गया है? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below.
Looks like Ajay Devgan's film Shivai has got another fan. The directorial venture of Ajay has been lauded by none other than the veteran Bollywood writer Salim Khan. Yes, guys. Earlier, Bhaijan had expressed his support for Shivai in a tweet. Shivai has had a mixed response at the box office so far, and with every passing day, the competition with Karan Zaidil Hai Mushkil is getting stiffer. Under such a situation, this appreciation from Papa Khan comes as a major boost for the film. इसलिए Ajay took on to Twitter to thank both Salman Khan and Salim Khan for appreciating his latest film and said it always makes a difference. Thank you, Salim uncle. Your appreciation always makes a difference. And thank you, Salman Khan, for all your good wishes, Ajay tweeted on Tuesday night. Shivai stands rock steady at the box office despite mixed reviews.
Ajay Devgan's dream project Shivai has dazzled the silver screen with its release on the auspicious occasion of Diwali. Shivai has managed to remain super strong at the box office till this week. This action thriller starring Ajay Devgan, Saisha Sehgal, Erica Carr and Veer Das in pivotal roles raked in 64.36 crores in just 6 days at the domestic market. With this collection, the film has crossed the lifetime business of Ajay's Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, which was 59 crores. With its collection, Shivai has managed to rank amongst the 9th highest grossing movies of Ajay Devgan. Now this seems to be real good news for the fans of Ajay Devgan, hai na? So what do you think about Shivai's box office collection? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below. Rumor has it that Katrina Kaif doesn't want to share screen space with Deepika Padukone. Ouch! Looks like the catfight between the two leading ladies of Bollywood has no end. Seriously? This latest buzz is that Katrina doesn't want Deepika Padukone to be in Anand L. Rai's film with Shah Rukh Khan. Our Khabru says that Katrina has made it very clear that she would opt out of the film if Deepika Padukone is part of it. Oh my god, that means the per filmmaker is in for a trouble. Katrina and Dippy's Cold War began when Ranbir dumped Deepika and started dating Katrina. And this made Dippy never leave a single chance to take a dig at Kat. Now it looks like Katrina is in no mood to forgive and forget. लेकिन फिल्म फंस गई ना इस अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी में?
Hello friends, we are back with yet another exciting news about the most eligible bachelor of Bollywood, Salman Khan. Apparently, the actor put everyone into shock by his tweets about his adorable son. Well, before you start speculating and fabricating stories, let us tell you that the son we are referring to here is the superstar's pet dog. The Dabangg Khan of Bollywood took to Twitter on Wednesday to share a few pictures of his pet dogs who are as good as Sun and Jaan for Bhaijan. He has also shared numerous photographs and tweets to express his love for his pet dog. और सुनने में तो ये भी आया है कि Salman adores his pet as his own son. So now isn't that adorable, guys? What do you think about Salman Bhai's love for his pet animals? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.